Alright, I've read the instructions, so it seems to be quite straightforward how this works. You need to grab the headphones themselves, and then you gently remove this top bit here from the headphones, which brings you to this one, which is underneath. Then once you're here, these things here, as you can see, have these sticker pads. So you'll gently remove that, and then you will replace the new one with these. I do believe that this has a sticker pad, so you have to remove these. There you go, you see? Or maybe you can't see, I don't know. You remove the top bit so that then you can stick it onto the headphones, and then you can just basically push this back into place, and it's all done. So there we have it. Thanks for watching.
Likey.